Welcome to L5 Education Hub. You aim to become a resource for mastering Level 5 health and social care assignments. Our channel is dedicated to helping students excel in their studies by providing comprehensive tutorials, assignment writing tips, feedback utilization strategies, and much more. Join our community of learners and take your education to the next level. Yes, this channel is new, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's achieve academic success together. When discussing assignments, we refer to the units in your course, specifically from Unit 1 to Unit 29. Stay tuned so you don't miss any videos. We will show you how to write the assignment for each unit. And the great news is that you can scan the QR code to download the assignment for the unit you're working on. Just look for the QR code pop up during the video. Remember, using your own words for your assignments is essential, as our content is reserved, copyrighted, and protected. Welcome back to L5 Education Hub. Today's video will dive into the essentials of writing a high-scoring Level 5 health and social care assignment. Whether you're struggling with structuring your essay or looking for tips to impress your tutors, we've got you covered. We hope you enjoy the assignment that starts now.
1.1. Lead-own team. Adapt leadership styles to reflect different stages in the team's development. Evidence may include application of theoretical models of team development, e.g., Belbin's team roles, Tuckman's team and group development theory, use of appropriate leadership styles for different stages of team development. 1.2. Lead-own team. Establish trust and accountability within the team. 1.3. Lead-own team. Build team commitment to the service and its values by consistently demonstrating own commitment and expressing own vision. 1.4. Lead-own team. Develop, implement, and review strategies to support a positive values-based culture in the team. Evidence may include how own setting supports a positive values-based culture in the team. 1.5. Lead-own team. Model and promote team practice that champions equality, diversity, and inclusion and challenges discrimination and exclusion. 2.1. Manage teamwork. Facilitate the participation of team members in agreeing team objectives. 2.2. Manage teamwork. Encourage creativity and innovation when planning how to meet team objectives and agree a team plan. 2.3. Manage teamwork. Agree roles, responsibilities, and personal work objectives with team members taking account of their individual skills, interests, knowledge, expertise, and development needs. 2.4. Manage teamwork. Support team members to work towards personal and team objectives and monitor progress. 2.5. Manage teamwork. Provide constructive feedback on performance to individual team members the team. 2.6. Manage teamwork. Work with team members to address any issues with performance and identify opportunities for continuing development. 2.7. Manage teamwork. Recognize progress towards team and personal work objectives. Lead-own team. 1.1 Adaptation of the various styles of leadership in order to reflect on the various stages of team development. The team roles have been one of the models that have been used for the development of the team. The model is comprised of various roles that serve different purposes in the team, which are shaper, implementer, coordinator, team worker, and many more. From the model, it has been found that the success or the failure of a team is independent of the factors such as levels of intelligence among the members, rather it is dependent upon factors such as the behavior of the team. Each of the roles has playing a significant part in the team, which is the reason why these roles are needed to be present in a team. Belbin, 2010. Moreover, the leader is the most significant aspect of the team, and the style of leadership used by them is found to be moderating or alter the behavior of the members of the team. This is a reason why leaders are needed to make sure that they have a transformational as well as a democratic form of leadership that increases inclusion and engagement in the team. However, other forms of leadership are also needed to be used, such as autocratic leadership. The situational theory of leadership is significant in teams. Walls, 2019. 1.2 Establishment of trust and accountability in the team. Building of trust and accountability is also one of the aspects of the team, as well as the leaders are needed to make sure that they are able to abide by the commitment or promises that have been made by them. This has a huge influence on the levels of trust on the leaders. Moreover, the leaders or managers are needed to make sure that they are held responsible and accountable to themselves in areas where they are found to have made a mistake, as this has a huge impact on the employees. As to when the leaders and managers hold themselves as responsible and accountable, then they are trusted or perceived as trustworthy and accountable. George, 2003. Such aspects of leadership have been found to be bringing positive changes, and the levels of collaboration increase when one acknowledges their own mistake or faults. Then they are able to reflect on their mistake and self-improvement is achieved. Therefore, the establishment of trust and accountability has been highly significant for the leaders as well as other members of the team so that they are able to improve the condition of the team and achieve positive and considerable growth in the team. These affect the chances of the accomplishment of objectives and promote inclusivity. Ferrell and Klein, 2018. 1.3 Building of team commitment towards the service and the value of the service via the demonstration of personal commitment and expression of the vision. Commitment also plays a significant part in the development of the team as well as allows the team to accomplish the tasks that have been allocated to them. In order to promote team commitment, the leaders of the teams are needed to come up with various methods for the demonstration of their roles and responsibilities in a proper way. With that being said, the leaders are needed to make sure that they are able to grant their followers a sense of empowerment and encouragement. Along with that, the establishment of trust is also significant as trust plays a key role in collaborating with the various members of the team. Sung et al., 2020. The leaders are also needed to make sure that they are able to have a strong sense of recognition of their followers, which has been also one of the means for the fostering the growth of the team. It also allows the leader to be able to connect with their followers in a better and effective manner. Lastly, keeping the environment light or reducing the levels of stress and pressure in the team is also important, so establishing a sense of humor in the team is also effective to make the workers or followers be committed to their roles and duties. Kokoglu et al., 2019. 1.4 Development, implementation, and reviewing of the strategies for the supporting culture in the team that is value-based. The culture of the team affects the team. A lot of it has been a factor that has been the most affecting one. Leaders are needed to make sure that their team has a positive culture so that the followers do not feel left behind. It is important for a team to have necessities such as equality, respect, and being valued. Hence, there is always a need among the followers for a culture that is positive, values them, respects them and considers them as a part rather than abandoning them. Fontanas, 2019. However, equality has been one of the major factors that affect the culture of the team and its members. Equality in terms of gender, age and other factors is significant in a team and needs to be maintained by the leader in a proper manner. Therefore, the leaders are needed to make sure that they maintain a positive culture and environment in the team so that their followers are able to have a significant rise in the levels of motivation that leads them to engage with the team or the other members of the team in a better manner. Opportunities to learn and grow have been also significant in the development of the culture of the team as well as providing personal space to the workers. Rieger and Klarman, 2022.
1.5 Modeling and promotion of team for the development of equality, diversity, inclusivity, and challenging discrimination and exclusion in the team.
Team development is only achieved when there is a sense of equality, diversity, and inclusivity in the team. Leaders are needed to monitor that every member is treated with equality, justice, and fairness in the team, which serves as a basic need when one is a part of the team. The leaders are also needed to demonstrate various practices so that the team is diversified as well as the maintenance of inclusivity in the team so that none feels that they are not respected or valued in the team. LeBlanc et al., 2020. With that being said, there is also needed in the team that the leaders ensure that any practices that are not performed are discriminatory by them as well as by others. This is very significant to bind the whole of the team in one place to promote unity in the team. Moreover, any form of act or practice that excludes any member of the team is also needed to be challenged by the leaders at all levels of team development and the functioning of the team. Lenz and Mittelrender, 2022. Managing teamwork. 2.1 Facilitation of the participation of the members of the team when it comes to agreeing on the objectives of the team. Helping team members is one of the significant aspects of the management of the team. The leaders are needed to make sure that they are able to devise better strategies that facilitate the members of the team in the achievement of the objectives of the team. With the leaders are needed to make sure that they are able to bring agreement in the team via the means of the communication, so that an agreement is achieved when it comes to the objectives and mission of the team. Furthermore, The creation of the goals that promote inclusion is a method that can be used for the facilitation of the achievement of the objectives of the team. Gopi and Galloway, 2009. Leaders are also needed to make sure that they are able to celebrate the achievement or success of the team as well as help the members of the team in the solving of the problems so that a strong focus is made on the accomplishment of the objectives of the team. Training and providing the resources that are necessary for the team members to focus on the task appropriately is needed when it comes to the facilitation of the team for the achievement of the objectives of the team. Donnelly and Neville, 2008. 2.2 Encouragement of creativity and innovation when it comes to planning and meeting the objectives as well as the agreement of the plan of the team. Creativity and innovation have been one of significant aspects of team development and management, especially when it comes to the planning of the team as well as meeting the objectives of the team. Leaders are needed to demonstrate their creativeness and innovative styles so that they are able to bring a creative culture to the working environment. This is highly significant when it comes to devising plans for the accomplishment of the objectives of the team. Creativity and innovation have been important as the members of the team will be able to perform their duties with increased effectiveness as well as being efficient in their roles, which lead to the development of the levels of productivity of the members of the team. Adair, 2000. Environmental design has a huge influence on the members of the team, which is significant for the promotion of creativity and innovation. Leaders are needed to make sure that whole of their approaches and styles are comprised of innovation and creativity, which has been found to be one of the factors that have the greatest influence on the members of the team. Other methods that have been found to be fostering creativity and innovation in the team are freedom or space, flexibility, providing creative tasks and sharing of creative knowledge. Paulus and Kenworthy, 2018. 2.3 Agreement of the roles, responsibilities, and work objectives that are personal with the members of the team when it comes to accountability of the skills, interests, knowledge, expertise, and the development of the needs. Individual skills, knowledge, abilities, and interest have a huge influence on the achievement of the objectives that are personal to the members of the team as well as those that are collective. Leaders are needed to make sure that their team members have a wide array of skills that are required to be demonstrated in various stages of functioning in the team. When the members of the team have good skills that are basic and are needed to function in a proper and effective way, the whole of the team is able to develop itself widely. West, 1994. Some of the skills which are necessary for the team members are time management, communication, and analytical skills. When the members of the team are able to possess these skills, they are able to fulfill the duties of their roles as well as the responsibilities that have been levied upon them. So, the possession of the skills, abilities, and other good characteristics are highly significant for the achievement of the individuals as well as collective goals of the team. With that being said, when the members of the team are able to have various skills, expertise, knowledge, and abilities, then they are able to connect with the team leader or leaders as well as other members of the team, which leads to the accomplishment of the overall objectives of the team. Galensky and Hager, 2020.
Hi. This tutorial explains how to write the Unit 2 DILMAC 1B Team Leadership in Adult Care essay. Don't forget to scan the QR code displayed to download the complete assignment. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. If you found this assignment helpful, your feedback means the world. Please share it. See you all in the next video.